Okay, on this question, they're talking about a paper airplane that was thrown from the top of a tall building. The height of the paper airplane above the ground can be found using the function, this is important, where x is the time. So x is the time in seconds the airplane has been in the air. Okay, and y is the height. Okay, now we can type that in Desmos and go look at it because they didn't give us the graph. And they want to know how many seconds did it take the paper airplane to reach the ground. So when did it land? When did it hit the ground? So we're going to type it in Desmos. Y equals negative 1.5x plus 60. And it doesn't show up, but that's because it's way up here, right? So it started at 60, the height was 60, okay, because y is the height, that's what we said, and x is the time. Well, it looks like it probably hit the ground right there because the height is 0. So let's go put that in our graph, and I want to explain to you what the difference is. So let's go put that in our graph. I know that it started up here at 60 and that it hit the ground down here at 40, and I can just connect the dots. Okay, so this 60 is my y-intercept. And you're going to need to know that for the rest of these problems, so pay attention. Y-intercept is on the y. It's also called the starting point. Okay, and then this one down here is called your x-intercept because it's on the x-axis, and it's also called your 0. Okay, they might ask you in these other problems, what is the 0? So that's what they're going to be asking for, where it crosses the x-axis. Okay, so pay attention to those and where they are found. The answer for this one is just 40 seconds. And you can just type 40.